So guys, in today's video I will show you guys how to make orange peel, lemon peel and carrot cream for skin lightening. Hello friends, I greet you all according to the time you are seeing this video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You all are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet Godswill. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. In today's video, I will show you guys how to make orange, carrot and lemon cream for skin lightening. This cream is active, which will lighten your skin and make it look younger. Please watch the video to the end and also click on the like button and like this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. We need 2 carrots. The first step is to glitter the carrots. We need lemon, but we are going to use the lemon peel. So we have to glitter the back of the lemon. Don't include the inner white part. We need an orange peels. So we are going to glitter the orange peel. Now we got orange and lemon peel. Put carrot, lemon peel and orange peel under the sun to dry. Put shea butter in a saucepan and allow it to melt. Then, after melting the shea butter, add the dried carrot, orange and lemon peel into a saucepan. Keep stirring. When you notice that the carrot, lemon, orange peel is changing color, put the saucepan down. Allow to cool a little Then you sieve out the oil. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix. Put in a fridge, but you can also put it in a freezer if you don't want to waste time. When it solidifies, you bring it out from the fridge. Transfer it to your mixer or blender. Add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and mix very well. From the blender and transfer to a container.